Welcome to another appliance integration tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Atmo to a Clivet heat pump using the Modbus protocol. As always, this video is assuming you understand how Atmo is installed and used, which can be found in our other videos. Okay, let me show you how it's done. This is one of our simpler integrations, so you should find this easy peasy. Hopefully by now, you're familiar with the Clivet controller, used across their heat pump range, both domestic and commercial. In a standard installation, this controller is hooked up to the outdoor unit, but it also has a hidden trick under the cover, Modbus. The connections that Atmo requires are in the controller itself. Start by removing the rear cover of the controller, shown here. This can be done easily with a small screwdriver to pry the lugs free. The Modbus connections are in the lower right of the PCB. For Modbus connections, a single twisted pair cable is required. We recommend Cat5e cable. The two screw terminals, H1 and H2, are shown here and need to be connected to the Atmo. H2 connects to BS1 and H1 connects to BS2. Be extra careful to get these the correct way around, as they're not in the order you'd expect. Trust me, it caught us out. I told you that was easy, didn't I? There is a second step to configure the Modbus address, but 9 times out of 10, you won't need to touch this. The Modbus address is set in the controller, and it's what Atmo uses to identify your heat pump. Some controllers will vary with firmware version, so to set this address, if you need to, it's best to consult the manual. You'll need to navigate to Settings, which is usually done by holding down Menu for 3 seconds, then entering a password. The default is 234. From here, you'll need to find the Modbus address setting, but make sure you also set it correctly in Sphere 2, otherwise Atmo won't be able to find your heat pump. Susie, our Sphere whiz, has a video explaining how to change the Modbus address if you need help. And as quick as that, you're done. Hopefully I've been of help and that you've successfully integrated your appliance with Atmo. As always, get in touch with us if you have any questions or need support, and we'll do our best to help you out. Don't forget, you'll find many more instructional videos on our website.